Units in the field, 4438 has found the missing elderly female. Once again, she has been found.
4439, just to confirm right now, just K937 is out on foot. All the other units are in their cars.
Across the street at 3445 Emily City. I don't know if that was a resident or not of that house, but there's somebody walking around right along the back of that house.
Central clear.
It looks like whoever it is still out there. Looks like they're walking like an older person, but I just don't know if that's a resident or not. Should be at the back right corner of the house right now if you're looking at it from the road.
I'm clear on the back right corner.
38, I got her.
Clear.